Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you change the language in the Amazon Prime Video application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will see your profile. Press on it. Once you have done that, you should once again look at the top of your right corner and there you will find the settings. Press on that once again and you should scroll down a little bit and here you will find the languages option. Press on that and once again you have to press on the app language. And here you can select basically all the languages that are presented in this app. It is quite a few. Now there is a chance that your mother tongue won't be here. In that case, unless you know a secondary language better than English, in my opinion, you should just stay with the default language. If you find your mother tongue here, you just press on it and press yes. And after doing so, you should wait a little bit until the app refreshes and you can see that the app was changed to that language. So yeah, this is pretty much all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.